I just found the coolest nursery in California. And no, it's not just rows of boring plants.
Lots of eye candy here.
There's quite literally a living ecosystem inside, full of inspiration, rare finds, and some amazing people. I also found a super cool plant that looks like it's from another planet.
This is incredible.
I cannot wait to show you guys, so let's get in there.
Today we are at the beautiful Glendora Gardens Nursery. I absolutely love it here, but I'm telling you guys, this place is more than just premium plants. There's some really special things about this place. Let's check it out together. Come on.
Now, obviously the main event here are the plants, but what really sets this place apart is actually how they're displayed. It's not just a bunch of plants lined up by species like you might see at big box stores or larger wholesale growers. This nursery has designed vignettes, mini gardens set up with actual themes. Woodland gardens, tropical escapes, Mediterranean themes, each one thoughtfully put together so you can actually visualize how everything will look in real life. There are so many design themes beautifully curated. You're not just shopping, you're stepping into a living example of how these plants can work together. It's totally immersive, and it really does help you feel the potential of your own outdoor space instead of just guessing at it. Now, as a landscape designer, this is huge. There are times I hit kind of a creative block, and I'll come here and just walk around. Something about seeing the plants in context already working together almost always sparks ideas and kind of just gets the creative juices flowing. The plant quality at Glendora Gardens is next level. Each of these specimens are meticulously cared for every single day, and that makes a huge difference in the longevity of the plant.
This is Salvia Kisses and Wishes. It's beautiful and symmetrical. It's obviously been well taken care of. Let's take a look at the root system. Gently squeeze the side of the can there, very carefully. Look at that. Beautiful and healthy. It's not overgrown. There's no spiraling roots, but you could see it's fully established. It looks like it has really nice nutrient content in there. It's got perlite for good drainage. This is obviously a well-loved plant, and this is the main reason why I love coming here, just finding these gorgeous, super high-quality plants.
When you bring home a plant that's strong and has honestly had quite a bit of love at the nursery, you can tell it has a much better shot at thriving in your own landscape. I actually came here on a beautiful rainy day to source all my plants for my Parkway makeover project, and I'll put a link for that down in the video description below. I'm really proud of that project and how it turned out, so can't wait to see what you guys think about it. If you're into succulents or cacti, Glendora Gardens absolutely delivers. They have smaller, budget-friendly options, as well as larger specimen plants. And some really unique finds I haven't seen anywhere else. It's a treasure hunt in the best way. Now, I happened to stumble on a crazy unique specimen, Serious Ming Thing. And this thing looks like it doesn't even belong on planet Earth, or at the very least, maybe down in a coral reef. Absolutely spectacular. Now, if you're looking for a little extra flair for your garden, they have beautiful and unique garden art artistically scattered throughout the nursery. And not to mention a fantastic selection of glazed pots. They also have everything you need from fertilizers to soil. One of my favorite parts of this place, the koi ponds. Yeah, plural. They've created these beautiful waterscapes with koi fish, turtles, and a waterfall and lush plantings that perfectly fit a Zen theme.
I love coming here and saying hi to the chickens. My friends Luann and Adele back there. The chicken house is just a fun little hidden gem amongst the plants. It's really, really neat.
The staff and owners here are incredibly knowledgeable, not just about the plant care, but about design, and that matters. Here, they'll ask you about your soil, your drainage, the look you're going for, what existing plants you might have, because they actually want you to succeed in your landscape project. It's kind of like getting a mini landscape consultation for free.
Determine the location, check the soil. Some of the areas, they have clay soil, and the clay soil, for example, is terrible for lavenders. They will get woody and drown because they need very good drainage.
Yeah. So what they say in real estate, location, 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 right?
Yes.
You got to understand your site first, so then you can pick the right plants.
That's
and
correct.
then you understand how to properly care for them. Try one more time.
All this knowledge is a make or break for folks needing guidance. You're not just wandering, you're learning. You leave with plants and confidence. This place is just a great experience. You could honestly bring the whole family here on a weekend just to hang out. It's calm, it's peaceful, and it's absolutely beautiful. Whether you're a hardcore gardener, a weekend landscaper, or just someone who wants to create a beautiful space at home, Glendora Gardens gives you something. And to me, that is what a local nursery should be. And hey, if you're ever near Glendora Gardens, I highly recommend checking it out in person. I'll catch you on the next one. Stay rooted.